Welcome to Mercio Shop. We are a professional manufacturer integrating the R&D, production and sales of HDMI products. Today we are going to introduce a high-quality HDMI 2.0 cable. It has passed HDMI Premium certification. By scanning it with HDMI Association app, users can know the information of such cable immediately. The length of the cable has three specifications: 3 feet, 6 feet and 10 feet. Tested on the commonly used PS4 Pro, it can steadily output 4K 60Hz video. In addition, it is convenient to match such cable with our HDMI switch box. Thank you for watching. You can scan the QR code to follow us on Facebook, and we will provide more test videos.